The only land left for you now is the one that our late father, who happens to be your grandfather, bought at the site when he was alive.
Uncle, that's all right. I'm okay. I want to start building as soon as possible. There's no more time. The earlier the better. I say, Mengwangwa, and Megaradashi.
I am still wondering how and where you got this your money. I'm confused as well.
I don't understand. How are you confused about how I made my money? Because I remember vividly that Bible said, your enemies will be in confusion when they see you prospering. And I don't want to believe what my mind is telling me.
So, what are you trying to insinuate?
I am saying that I don't understand you being confused about me wanting to build a house. Is anything wrong with that? You should be happy. You should be the happiest person that yes, at last, I want to be useful. I want to do something with my life. You are here pondering. What you should be talking about now is how I should start building. I need a land. I need a land, a very big land, a land that is spacious, a land that if I start building, anybody gafere no te ya akoshi. Ndi no gafete ha akpo no obu. Ndị like kwa n'ihe ọma gafete ote ha chi ọchị. So onye ji ha ji ọrụ. Onye no ga na dey confused on how I made my money. Ego we ego. Oshini ikuku bịa wo, oshini ime mmiri bịa wo, agwọtara ya n'ọgwụ, aratara na agụgụ ite. Ego we ego. Your concern should be, what am I going to use this money to do? Huh? Uncle, huh?
Yeah. we thank God. How is everybody now? Nobody they ask of me, Akwe. Oh, Jah is the king, Jehovah Wisdom. Oh, no, my lord, there will be travel go near Sambisa Forest. What's the name will rest small? My dear, I gave me no truly. Okay, well, thank you very much for calling. Yes. Uncle, welcome. My neighbor in the city.
No, what? In a village, not communicating in a city.
Welcome, sir.
There is a good news, but manna. Hi.
Which one be say there is good news, but I don't understand.
My son, do you know late Mazi Okeke that lives at the junction there? The one that died on a plane crash.
Oh, okay. The husband to the deaf and dumb woman that died quite some time ago.
Yes, that's him.
Okay.
That is only a surviving son. Wants to sell their house.
Wow.
So
thank God for
I now decided to come and inform you. Instead of you spending money, passing through much stress in building a new house, whether if you will choose to buy their house, and they bought them, the location is okay. Though is an old house, but you can buy it and renovate.
Can we see the house?
Huh?
Can I see it?
Are you still asking me? Kaiga, let's go.
afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, sir.
Sir, I'm Barrister Comedy, and here is my beloved wife, and we are new in this community, so we are looking for an apartment. Yeah. I don't know if you can help us with anyone.
Oga no vex o, wetin my husband may try tell you be say we just dey come for this village, and we dey look for house. Whether you go fit like help us get any house, any rent, we will pay.
An accommodation, yeah.
Yeah. You know say this your English too much. Break am down. Baby, I don't understand.
Anigu! Why? Border! Anigu! Bye, what?
Maybe madman did this. Can you imagine?
A forgetting of vagabond!
Baby, stop! Not the English time. How would they go before this madman? No,
Can you imagine? Forgetting of vagabond!
Oh my God! Stop this thing now! Baby, stop. See. Let's start going back before this madman go come back again. You know, so now he why we I don't know if
You know a personality like me cannot tolerate this lagatis.
see no time for English now. As you stand now run me they don't go back. I never want that. Now you know where he. I don't think where these people are. I want they go. What's your own?
Good afternoon, my son. Good afternoon, my daughter. How are you?
Sir, I'm Barrister Comedy, and here is my loved wife. She's a nurse.
Oh no! Wait, don't give me that. No. Point of correction. I'm a health practitioner, not a nurse.
Yes,
don't give me
health
that.
practitioner.
Barrister, and this is your wife.
She's my wife.
Which one is she? Nurse or health practitioner?
Oh, please, sir. With all due respect, please, I'm not a nurse. I'm a health practitioner.
Yes,
please.
health practitioner.
Yeah.
Okay, health practitioner and the barrister, the lawyer.
Yeah,
so how may I help you?
Actually, I was posted to this village, so we are looking for accommodation.
Accommodation, yeah.
Yeah.
This house now where una dey find, is it the place where una go rent or una wan follow me stay as houseboy and house girl?
No. Renting, we'll pay you.
We'll give you money.
We'll pay.
Anyway, house no dey easy to see for this village. Yeah? But you get one room wey dey for my brother house. But I'm not sure say still dey free. I'm not sure say e go still dey. Yeah? From the way people dey take park out, park in. No, e dey.
Sir, can we actualize it?
Actualize?
Yeah.
Like, can you take us there?
Of course, when you're on now, do I have any other job? Come, let's actualize it.
Okay.
Hey, husband and the wife, barrister and the health practitioner.
My uncle told me that you guys came here the other day.
Yeah.
Sorry about that. I went out for a meeting.
Are you guys siblings?
Siblings? No, she's my wife.
Yeah.
I am Barrister Comedy, why worry? And she is Mrs. Comedy, why worry?
Yeah.
She is your wife?
Yeah, she's a nurse.
No. I don't want it that way. Sorry, sir. I'm Mrs. Comedy. Why worry? And I'm a health practitioner and a midwife, and I've been in this business for 14 years. I'm well experienced nurse, not nurse. I'm well experienced nurse, and I've been in this business for 14 years. So I'm good in the work. That's why the government posted me to this village. So we are looking for apartments, and we believe you help us as. That's why we are here.
And landlord. And I'm also an incumbent prehendum of this state.
Exactly.
I handle court cases, land disputes, and even some technical and illustrate cases. You know what I mean now.
Let me just cut it down. Maybe he didn't understand.
Okay.
What he means is that he's a lawyer, a barrister, and he that kind. If you have any problem with anybody, we are here.
Yeah, we are here. Yeah. I'm here to settle all the cases. I know you have cases, yeah. I know you must have because you know these village things. Yeah. You know. So I'm ready for it. I'm ready.
Hey. You said you are a barrister.
Yeah, a qualified barrister. You know. Yeah, that is it not. Yeah, I'm a barrister.
Government sent you to this community.
Yeah. You're right. Yeah.
Government,
Exactly.
Not government. Government.
they sent you.
Yeah.
Also sent her.
It was me that they posted here. So there's no I will be another place.
Yeah.
Another place.
So
we
we now
decided
decided to work together
Yeah.
and be in a same house.
Yeah.
No?
Hey.
He's made in confucialized in statement.
I told you this your English. It's not everyone that used to understand it. Be cutting it.
What do you want me to do? That's my profession, you know? I'm a lawyer.
When you go to the court, you do your profession. Here we are looking
No.
for that.
It's be said in section AB. What you know best, you deliver. Yeah, that's what I'm delivering. You know, I'm a qualified barrister.
So you are a barrister indeed.
By profession, you know? I studied it in the University of UN.
8 years.
8 years course, you know.
Yeah, 8 years.
Wow, that sounds nice. Anyway, the only room left for people like you are the smallest room at the back. Like I said, I have rooms, but I have a smaller room that will suit your personality. Yes, I can't waste a bigger room for people like you. So there is a room that will suit you, that will be affordable, because I know how governments pay. Sometimes they will end up owing you, and I wouldn't want it. So I will give you a room that you can afford at the end of every month. Meanwhile, I will discuss with my wife. If she agrees, I will give you people my terms and terminology.
Landlord, you know, I know you are made in Haririos Bahunda, you know, you understand. So the reason we are saying we don't want that kind of house, we have money. Yeah, we have money. We want a comfortable place. A portable, you know, portable place.
Yeah.
For us to live. Yeah. We are not cockroach.
It's okay. In as much as you want a comfortable place and you are not cockroach, but sometimes someone can be described as one. That's perfect. I will discuss with my wife, then I will reverse back to you.
Okay.
All right. So maybe you come back in the evening after.
Okay, we take our leave now.
Thank you for your concern, yeah. And thank you for hearing from us. Wow.
You tried. You built such a house. Yeah. It's what is called gigantic house.
Yes, I like this place.
It's good. Yeah.
Hey, how can some people make such mistake?
All right, thank you very much. This is Chief Imo and his crew. We beg all of you to keep subscribing to our channel, Chief Imo Comedy on YouTube. As you do that, God will bless you. God will bless you. Hip, hip, hip. Hooray!